Okie dokie, just got the bass shakers wired back up onto the seats, only two at the moment, both wired parallel, but I'm going to change the wiring around, just rechecking, because I hadn't ran the bass shakers in over a year, and they've all been disconnected for a while. Um, so I'm just checking with any film, checking with a Region 2 DVD of The Matrix. Um, it's vibrating. It took a little while to figure out which cable went where, and I checked continuity with the voltmeter to see if this lead's okay, because the leads are out in the kitchen, and I've got leads there in the THX home cinema, and I didn't know which one was going where because I had literally 20 wires or so that I couldn't even remember which one goes where. So got that one determined, and then I had to sort of like think, well, not getting any pink noise rumble coming through the bass shakers. So I thought, oh well, maybe it's the other lead that's not working. Maybe it's the grounding on the lead. Tried another lead, patched it in, a-okay. I can just feel the seats vibrating. I've got level controls where I can presently adjust the screen channel levels. I'm only running free screen at the moment. But I've got to patch the lead so it runs into one of the extra two on the compressor limiter, so I can either apply a bit of compression or apply a bit of limiting. And I might let me see. I have to apply, let me just fade that down. I have to apply a little I'm gonna have to apply the other equalizer back to this because I might have to apply some frequency cuts to get the bass shaker to see if it's given an even feel or level. So I'm gonna have to check that. The only way to do it sometimes is do it with just by the feel of it, or next is putting a calibration microphone up very, very tightly close to the bass shaker, where it's gonna just where it's gonna register on the RTA, or I can use the Spectrum Lab, which is a lot more better to use because I'll be able to see what frequency everything's registering at. If it's even or uneven, I'll be able to check it. And there's only so much oh gosh, I'm worn out. There's only so much I can only use with the third octave EQ, because I can only use 20, 25, 31.5, 40, 50, 60, 80, 100, and 120. Don't really go above that much, but you can. I can go up to 160 or more, 200 and so on. But it takes a bit of effort to get everything, the bass mid channels to sort of like blend in, so that you get you're really feeling the film, literally, even with the smallest part of the soundtrack across anywhere across the LCR or surround channels, because the LFE.1 only comes in as and when, and that's only designed to run from about 120 hertz, which rolls off, and then it goes up, and then it goes flat, and then it starts to roll off at 80, just below 80 hertz. It starts to roll off a little bit, and a little bit, and a little bit, and a little bit down. So I've got to sort of like check that. Take a few hours, take a few more extra hours. But oh god, just managed to get this up and running just before midnight, because I thought I'd put a timeline on myself and see if I can get these bass shakers all back and up and running. They're not all up and running, because I've got to get the rewire everything, so I can just more or less run the Oro bass shakers. It's my medication, my antidepressant medication. So I took it a little bit late today, and it's the effect of it is it's been like this now for I think 30 or 40 minutes. So after an hour or so, it should wear off. It's just trying to tell me, just take a nap, but it's just the antidepressant. It's just the antidepressant side effect. Yeah, also I've got to run, I think I'm going to run a voltage check with the voltage meter on the bass shaker. So the wattage the wattage, or rather voltage, is within. Oops.